Hey, what's going on guys, Evan from Model 3D, and today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to change the FEP film on the bottom of your Wanhao Duplicator 7 vat. This is essentially the non-stick bottom floor of the resin vat, which goes between the LCD panel and the actual resin. So this thing attracts fingerprints like mad, but that doesn't matter for now because we'll be cleaning that later on. You just have to put the plate on top, make sure not to crush it, find something sharp. I just had this little tool lying around, and just pop a little hole in each of the four corners. Pop a screw in. You don't have to tighten this down too much just yet. Just make sure that there's no creases or any wrinkles in the actual film. Do each corner one by one, making sure not to over tighten. And as you get to the fourth corner, you will see that the plate is actually dropping down into a groove, which creates a nice tension on the film. And do the same all the way around, making sure to equally do both opposite sides so that it doesn't create too much tension and tear the film. And finally, when the last one's in and everything's sorted, you have to cut off the excess. Make sure to use a new blade for this because you don't want it to catch on the film and actually tear it. But once you've gone around all four corners, you can get a rag, a nice clean rag, and a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Just clean it both sides, make sure to get off any kind of grease, any fingerprints, anything like that. And once all that's sorted, you're ready to pop this back in your printer, tighten the little nuts on the top, add your resin, and print away. So I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to click like if you did, hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next one.